Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the best products on the market. Today, we have an exciting find for all you adventure enthusiasts out there. It's the MAGCOMSEN Men's Hooded Windproof Water-Resistant Rain Jacket Windbreaker, and let me tell you, it's the best travel jacket for men available in the market. This remarkable jacket is designed for the modern man who loves to explore the great outdoors, whether it's hiking, fishing, or running. It's not just a jacket, it's your ultimate companion for all your outdoor adventures. Now, let's dive into the key features that make this jacket stand out from the rest. First and foremost, it's water-resistant. The professional water-repellent coating and waterproof zippers on the pockets ensure that you stay dry even in the pouring rain. No need to worry about getting wet during your outdoor escapades. Next up, it's windproof. The adjustable cuffs with hooks and loops, the internal drawcord hem, and the detachable and adjustable storm hood work together to seal in warmth and keep those chilly winds at bay. This jacket is a true barrier against the elements. But here's the best part. It's not just protective, it's also incredibly breathable and lightweight. The mesh lining fabric ensures you stay comfortable even when you're on the move, and it can be effortlessly packed away into your bag for convenience and compact storage. And let's talk about storage. This jacket is equipped with a whopping 5 pockets. 2 large zipper hand pockets, a waterproof zipper pocket on the left chest, and 2 inner pockets provide more than enough room for all your essentials. No need to leave anything behind. Now, when it comes to sizing, you have plenty of options to choose from. Whether you prefer a small, medium, large, extra large, or even XX large, there's a size that'll fit you perfectly. But wait, there's more. MAGCOMSEN offers a range of high-quality outdoor gear. From waterproof jackets to winter coats, they've got you covered for all your outdoor adventures. So, if you're on the lookout for the best travel jacket for men that combines style, functionality, and affordability, look no further than the MAGCOMSEN Men's Hooded Windproof Water-Resistant Rain Jacket Windbreaker. Don't let the weather hold you back. Conquer the great outdoors with confidence. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this, and leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy adventuring!